Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to claim rewards from the new live log in Heartopia. First, just tap on the globe icon on your screen like this, and then just simply tap on new live log like this. And then in here you can see your daily progress history. All of your activities are recorded here every day. And make sure you complete and accumulate your daily progress because your points will add up to certain level like this over here. And when you reach specific points levels, you can claim various rewards like this. And then next, just check carefully and make sure there's no red dot icon left over here like this. Just tap on the progress that has a gift icon like this. Like this. And when you and then next, just tap on the words that has that has a bling look like this. And then next, just repeat this step to another day like this. Just claim all points, and if the red dot is gone, it means all your points have been successfully accumulated. And okay, that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.